Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you, does NGL link expires? So the answer is yes. The NGL expires because NGL changed their domains like fastly, so they change your links as well. So for example, I'm opening my NGL app. So here I will just click on let's get started. So here I will just put my Insta handle. So like this I will just put it like one more watch IT like this. So like for example, if I have seen like here like one more watch ID 2, it's been this now. Previously I was using, it was saying like YT only, not 2, so it changes. And you can see from here as well, if you open like here, you can see, so it will be like this. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video, and thank you for watching.